Welcome guys in this new lecture of image processing tutorial using OpenCV and Python. In last lecture we saw how to read an image, how to rescale an image, and then how to check the dimensions of an image using dot shape function. Now do remember that dot shape gives you height, then width, and then number of channels. Today we'll see how to save the rescaled or resized image on your local machine. So let me write it: save an image after resizing it. You can name it anything. It's a comment to note you down what you are doing. So I'll be using one variable here, and this variable will give me the status. So let me write the status here, and then in this variable I'll be using the OpenCV function, that is IamWrite. IamWrite is nothing but writing an image, and then I'll pass the path in which I want to store the image. So I am using YouTube videos folder. I'll be copying this path, and do remember that you have to give the image extension also. So I have copied it here, and I'll rename it because now I'm writing the image, I'm saving it. So I am renaming it to some another name. Let me rename it to Groot underscore resized.jpg. Again, you have to remember the extension. So this is the YouTube videos folder in which I am doing my work, and this is the folder. Here you can see the files and the images. And then I'll be providing any message to display. I'll be writing, say, print. Okay, before that I have to pass the variable, the image which I have to resize, I have to write. So I am writing resized underscore image. This is the image that I have to write, I have to save. Now I'll print some message. So I am checking the status of my writing image. So let me write some meaningful message like, say, image is saved onto the local disk. You can name it anything, obviously. So image is saved onto the disk, and then I'll give the status variable here. That's it. So this status will give me in Boolean form whether the image has been successfully written or not. So this is the resized image, you can see here. And then if I close it, now see here, image is saved onto the disk, and that statement is true. And here also you can see Groot underscore resized, and in the folder, see here the second image, Groot underscore resized image has been saved onto the screen. So that's it for the tutorial. You learned how to save an image, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.